Volcanoes found in the Philippines. Taal Volcano is one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines and has produced some of its most powerful historical eruption. Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991 after being dormant for 600 years. From June 12 to June 6, 1991, the volcano erupted from 4 times. Mayon Volcano is an active stratovolcano in the province of Albay in Bicol region on the islands of Luzon. Mount Hibuk-Hibuk erupted 5 times in modern history. Mount Bulusan stratovolcano 1,565 meter or 5,134 feet, one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, is Luzon's southernmost volcano. Mount Canlaon. The summit of Canlaon contains of 2 km wide, elongated northern caldera with an crater lake and a smaller but higher historical active vent. Mount Banahaw is a complex of 3 volcanoes 8 kilometers southeast of Manila, Philippines. Mount Biliran is a solfataric active volcano located in the small island province of the same name just north of Leyte. The volcano caused the formation of this island. Mount Cabalian is classified by the Philippines Institutes of Volcanology and Seismology or PHIVOLCS as active with solfataric activity. Mount Cagua is an active stratovolcano at the northeast tip of northern Luzon Island, Philippines. It has a circular summit crater of 1.5 kilometer diameter with step 60 meter high. Babuyan Claro, also known as Mount Pangasin, is a potentially active volcano located on Babuyan, the northernmost of the Babuyan group of islands. Didicas Volcano is an active volcanic island in the province of Cagayan in the northern Philippines. Mount Ragang, also called Mount Piapayungan and Blue Mountain by the local people, is a stratovolcano on Philippine Mindanao Islands in the Philippines. Mount Makaturing is a stratovolcano at the shore of Iliana Bay located about 40 kilometers south of Marawi City in central Mindanao, Philippines. Matutum Volcano is the symmetrical Matutum stratovolcano rises to 2,286 meters in southern Mindanao, northwest of Sarangani Bay. Mount Iraya is an active stratovolcano on Bataan Island, 200 kilometers north of Luzon, Philippines. It is the northernmost active volcano in the Philippines. Mount Iriga, an stratovolcano 1,196 meters or 3,924 feet. Mount Iriga Volcano is a small stratovolcano immediately southwest of Lake Buhi in southern Luzon, Philippines.